Njengoba sekusonzele umbukiso we-Eswatini International Trade Fair namuhla, labo-ke lababukela umbukiso bahlanganyele nalabo labatobe bananzisa kulo mbukiso. Lokhu-ke kwenteke eNgwenya Glass lapho bahambahambele ndzawo yeNgwenya Glass kubuka imisebenzi yakhona.
Today sisengwenya Glass where we are launching our local artists. This year trade fair we've got more than 25 local artists and MC in all the days program yet. So today besitomitha lama artists and disibonethe kuhle ukuthi simithele la Ngwenya because we are talking green, we are talking sustainability, and Ingwenya is a perfect venue for that. Thank you.
Jabula kuba part of ITF 2026 ipa usibitile ukuthi sitowunanzisa umsebenzi as a local artist.
Utanonge niphelela because lawuba mnanzi kakhulu. As a local entertainment will be there, international acts will be
I want to see 10 hands of what you saw. My brother at the back with the nice glasses. How are you? I'm good. What is an interesting thing that you saw on the balcony?
Hey, the making of the glass. I usually see it on stores. You see it alive. It's really beautiful.
Yes.
Isicubulo salombukiso walonyaka we-Eswatini International Trade Fair sithi Unlocking Green Economy Opportunities for Sustainable Trade. Nginohlahla Thwala, itindzaba channel yeMaSwati, ngisengwenya.